After hiking around Mount Rainier, the perfect place to stop and eat is Paradise Village, a Ukrainian restaurant and hotel. This hot tub is heated by a fire. That's so cool. Looks really nice. Yeah, dude, thanks for showing me this. Not a bad place for a soak, huh? This building is built out of hay. Authentic Ukrainian. What do you got here? I got a Ukrainian beer. It's called Oblon, and I really like it. It was really good. This was my first time ever trying borscht, and I gotta say, borscht is probably now one of my favorite foods.
Ukrainian
It was
borscht.
so filling after a cold hike. I can see why it's so popular.
So good.
I'll come back to Paradise Village one day to soak in the tub and eat more borscht.